Hello everyone, hi. So this will be a rather short video. I wanted to make this video just to see the status of today. So today is 11th of June and today is when the AIP applications are supposed to start. So this right now it's 1:32, 1:34 in the morning here in Alberta, and I was just trying to see what is happening. So let's me show you what is happening, guys. So if I go on to the AIP website, you see this? It says service unavailable. What does that mean? I think this means that the website is down right now. Maybe a lot of people are trying. So that's the reason, or maybe they are just enabling this service. So earlier there were some links to apply. The links to apply were kind of disabled, but now I think like they are trying to enable this service, and that is the reason they have just taken the website offline for a moment. Either that could be the case, or they got such a huge volume that the server just crashed. Okay, so just a very quick video I just wanted to make, just to see where are we, and I'll keep tracking this throughout the day, and I will make some more live videos. Let me see if I can come live and do a very okay. So thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.